Uh, Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain the hardware setup of alternate light blinking Arduino. For this setup, we need a 220 ohm diode, four wires. The black wire represents it's a ground, and four different colored LED or the same color LED. It's of your choice, and you need a Arduino and the USB connection to connect to the laptop. Here if you can see uh, this particular horizontal line and the vertical line, the diode, the negative terminal of the diode is connected to the horizontal line in the breadboard, and the black wire is nothing but ground that will be connected to ground in the Arduino. If you can see over here, you can see it as G and D over here. There are two GNDs. You can connect to either one of them, and if you can see the positive terminal of this particular uh, diodes are connected to different digital pins. You can see over here the blue is connected to D2, the green is connected to D4, the yellow is connected to D6, and it is connected to D8. That's it. This is the hardware setup of Arduino, and here we are blinking the light for 250 milliseconds. Like in 1 second the four lights is going to blink, and each light is having a delay of 250 milliseconds. In order to know more about this hardware setup or the code, please subscribe to my channel and comment that you need the code to run this particular setup for your project. We will be uploading it in the if I get at least 10 comments, I'm going to upload the code in the description or in the comment section. Thank you.